Okay, today I'm going to show you how to quickly set up a Telegram bot for yourself or whatever. So I already have most of this done already. I'll just walk right through it. It'll be easier. I'll assemble everything in here, but for this part, I'll just walk through. So pretty much when you start off with your Telegram, just find BotFather. You go there. Pretty much there'll be a start button here, and then it'll start doing this. You click on New Bot, and then down here, it will ask you for the name. I did Opti. Then it says OK. Then Opti Awesome Bot. It's very difficult to find names now for certain things because a lot of people have made many different bots so far. So in order to see your bot, you would just click on this here. It'll take you to the bot. There you go. So now we're back to BotFather here. And here's your API key that you're going to need in here in make.com. So pretty much after you get this all set up, then you have to build yourself a channel, which whoever you are or whatever, you're going to be the owner of this channel. So pretty much you're going to have to go in here and click edit and then go down to administrators because you're going to have the chatbot as an administrator in order to talk on your behalf. So once you have that set, then everything's pretty much set here. Then we're going to go over to the Telegram bot in make.com. So here we're going to go Telegram bot, and what we're looking for is when people are messaging in here that this agent starts conversating with them. So here we're going to go all the way down to watch updates. So we'll click that. Then since I already have my API key here, in here, I could just click this and there's the webhook. But normally you would just set it up and then you would add your connection there. So we're going to push save. Now I'm going to run it. Wait for new data because I used this before. We're going to go in here to demos. I'm going to say hi. So it saw that you got a message here. So then you can go into the chat. Here's your ID, all that stuff. All right, so we got the connection from here to here. So now we're going to open up an OpenAI module, which will be create a completion. I already have this set up. So if you don't have an account with OpenAI, pretty much you would have to go get that set up. That's a whole different situation to set up your keys and all that stuff. So that could be later on in another video if I make one. So pretty much I have it set up, but what you're going to do is if you're going to name your connection, you get your API key, you get your organization ID key, and then you have a connection. So what we're going to use is, for here for the model, we're going to use GPT-4o mini. So usually messages is what you're going to have to add a message, and then you put a role, which would be first always system or developer. This is the basic instructions of the AI. It can function the way you want it to if you're able to prompt it correctly. So we're going to drop it down to 256 tokens because this is just going to be a simple bot. I have a prompt. I had ChatGPT make me one. So we're going to take here, where it's this, we're going to copy it down to here. This will go into the system prompt because this is the basic instructions. So next, you're going to have a user prompt. So we're going to go here. This would be examples of responses. I'm just throwing everything in here. All right, so we have this all set. Since we have this set, we got to add another one. I almost forgot. This will be a user rule 2. And what you're going to put in here would be the text. Save. So now we'll run it. So I have that. All right, we got everything through. So it's got the message. All right, so here we are. So there we go. It gave me some sort of answer. We're going to have to, for it to reply back, we're going to add a send a text or a reply. I already have it. So over here, here's our channel. Up here in your URL, you're going to have to grab this number with the dash after the hashtag. Once you do that, you click it over here because that's the chat ID. And here, you're going to take the result of what this AI put out. So all you gotta do is save. Right now, I'll just click run once. No, I don't want to use that. I'd be like, right, last cruise channel is this. See how quick that was? There it is. There's all the answers. Once the AI has an idea of what the whole concept of the channel is, who's it for, all the particulars, it'll give a lot better responses. But this is just a quick demonstration for whoever wanted to build a quick chat bot for their channel.